Traditional tree trimming methods are a real son of a birch. Introducing the Limb Buster Tree Saw, the answer to your troubles. Our saws are able to reach 22 to 28 feet high and will fit on most skid steer platforms with only standard flow hydraulics needed. This finely crafted monstrosity eliminates the traditional but dangerous bucket truck and chainsaw approach, resulting in smaller crews and faster job completion. Equipped with a direct drive motor system, an exceptionally compact head design, and a 24-inch carbide tooth saw blade, the Limb Buster Tree Saw is built for speed, durability, and maximum cut depths, effortlessly chewing through 20-inch diameter limbs. Our user-friendly design makes the thought of complicated and time-consuming repairs nothing more than sawdust in the wind. And backed with our 1-year unconditional warranty, you can work with confidence knowing this saw won't let you down. Get your Limb Buster Tree Saw today and stop working your axe off.